Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the motion controls on a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. First step, we go into System Settings. If we like to calibrate the motion control, we go to the calibration control settings and we push then on the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller the plus button. This is on the upper right area. Then we place the controller on a flat surface and wait a little bit, because the calibration will make an automatically calibration thing. Perform this again, as you can see it better. Plus button, calibration is going automatically if you place it on a flat surface. You should have to look that there is a flat surface, of course. Calibration of the controller in the motion job's done. That's important if you have it not in a leveled direction while you're playing, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.